We are here at the food trucks, the flea markets. We come to see about this good old food, see what we're gonna eat. I know I'm gonna eat a lot. Let's go check these trucks out and see what they got.
50 different food trucks. Look at this big old heart. Food truck heaven. Oh, Lord. Chuleta de cochino. Dubai. Churro Dubai. Dominican and Puerto Rican. What you want? Colombian coffee. Oh, that look good. Carne en vera. Just something to drink, no food. Oh. Carne en vara. Yeah. I just want to see what it is and then we'll come back to it. Empanadas. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We'll go look and then we'll pick.
Got a cone.
Chinese for Jordan. Ooh, I want that. That look good. That might be me right here. Oh, mango. They have a. We'll come back. We're coming back. I think that's my spot right here. Dang. Oh, these probably what my mama. She like the. Oh, they got the octopus right there. They got fried calamari.
Oh, you said ill and that's what you eat.
Este se ve bueno. But my mom don't like meat. I said she don't like steak, so I don't know what she gonna eat. Okay, let's try the empanadas. You got the jerk chicken Jamaican empanada. Well, no, they call it Jamaican patty.
Jamaican patty, man. Jamaican patty, man.
It's good? Yeah, it's good. Oh, it's spicy.
Yeah, that's why.
So now that, I like that sauce.
Got green sauce. Oh, that's that sauce we had the other day.
Yeah.
Sour cream. Ooh, look at that thing go big.
That's the Venezuela empanadas. Try it. good? Yeah? Okay, I need to try it. Hold on. I can't see. Where am I? There you go. Oh, that's cheese and meat. It's good. Okay.
What y'all eating? Nothing.
Vegetable fried rice with teriyaki chicken.
What kind of egg rolls are there?
Vegetable egg roll.
Vegetable egg rolls. Okay. Fine. What kind of sauce? Baby younger. It's who?
It's like a garlic sour cream.
Oh. Got a lot of different food trucks out here. We tried another one. What was the other one that we tried? What was the other one that we had that we already ate and didn't show?
The Brazilian arepa. It was good too, with picanha.
Yeah.